Hiya people, a simple one today. Anyone can do this with a paintbrush.
I've stripped it down, I've washed it in the degreaser. Right, so back from the wire wheel. I've only give it a quickie. I've cleaned up all the metal bits that I'm leaving in metal, and I've took off any loose paint or whatever, and I'm going to go straight over the top with such a high quality paint that this is now ready to paint. Right, so in 1908, the company called the Steel Nut and Joseph Hampton Limited started to make other tools, as well as their original nuts and bolts. Now, the factory in 1908 was a small factory, but it started to expand and get bigger and bigger and bigger across a derelict piece of land behind the original factory. The derelict piece of land was known locally as the Woden. So the tools started becoming known as well. You never want to give this stuff too much of a stir because you break up its and we have a bit of Vise. Here we go again. Bits you always miss are the underneath bits under here, look. Right. So start on this, turn it upside down. Alright, otherwise I guarantee you'll miss them. You'll think I'll poke the brush under there, and you'll have missed it, honestly. Do this bit first, like I'm saying. If you don't do it first, you won't be able to turn it over when you're done. Now, when we look at this, it's going to sit on this nice edge here, alright, when we're finished. So you don't really want to paint that. What you want to do is paint all in between it, look, yeah. And I'm going to leave that middle bit so it looks like it's meant to be standing out like that, look. There we go. And just check for runs. Right, so this is my shot on Monday. Finish it on Tuesday, see it on Wednesday video, I think. That's right. 24 hours later after painting anyway. I'm sorry for the background noise, that's an extractor fan running because I've actually just sprayed maybe tomorrow's video's Vise.
When you'll get the front in, once you get the front in like that, you can push the back down and just push it in with your finger. Alright.